One way to improve your home's indoor air quality if you have a crawl space is with a crawl space ventilation system. I have a closed crawl space, there's no vents, so I installed an easy breathe crawl space ventilation system. It has a powered vent that draws in conditioned air from the living space and an exhaust fan that gets rid of humidity, pollutants, allergens, and musty odors so they don't get up into the home. I used an air advice monitor and an Airthings air monitor a week before to check the air levels in the crawl space. The VOCs were at 306 parts per billion. Below 250 is considered good. The VOCs are now at 80 parts per billion. Carbon dioxide was at 833 parts per million. Below 750 is considered good, and now it's at 619. The radon levels varied the week before I installed the system between 3 and 4 picocuries per liter. The EPA recommends taking action at 4 or above and consider taking action between 2 and 4. After I installed the system, it's been below 2 for the last week with a one-day low of 1.3. The humidity level was at 73% and now it's at 59%. The EPA and the American Lung Association both recommend ventilation to improve indoor air quality, and I like a system like this because you can install it yourself. You can have it automatically turn on and off depending on the humidity level, or you can let it run continuously to improve your indoor air quality, and I'll put some information on the system underneath the video.